had the conversation, simply asked them to sell this to us. And guess what they said? They said yes. Absolutely crazy. Hello YouTube, this is Christian. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys our new office for property management in our mixed use building. Here it is right here. And come on in. All right, for this one, we picked this up, seller financed, of course, like most of our stuff is. There's only 3 multifamily units in this building, super small office. We got 2 upstairs, 1 behind here. This office will become our PM office. Right now, it's just a shell. However, here's the space. We're looking at like 300 square feet maybe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna build a couple desks here. Our in-market employees are going to work out of this office right here. Then we're gonna get all this cleaned up, set up. We're building a bathroom in here. Apparently this used to be part of a dentist's office like 25 years ago. There was a bathroom, so hopefully I'm finding plumbing in good working order, but we'll find out. But that'll be that, and then storage will be back here. So we'll get a bunch of secure access and cameras here. And I'll look for the light switch, but I haven't even found before, but it should be doable. Let's see, there we are, boom. So it came with all of this extra storage. Funny enough, the original owners who financed the building to us, they actually use this as their base of operations for property management. So I bought their other building with Cody. It's 12plex. This unit here just has a whole bunch of bonus stuff. So we're gonna take what we want, get rid of what we don't. This will be storage for my company. But this is something literally anyone can do. This was on, this was actually off market, but owned by someone who had an on market listing. Had the conversation, simply asked them to sell this to us. And guess what they said? They said yes. Absolutely crazy. So we're really excited to build this out. It'll be nice to have a base of operations, an actual address in Grant County. But for those who haven't seen it yet, we're Kensho PM. We just rebranded. And yeah, we're gonna be office right here out of Ephrata. So welcome to the office. Welcome to a seller finance deal. If you're trying to get in the game and buy real estate, this is the back end of year 2 of Cody and I partnering, and we're already here. Retail space, multifamily, 150 units. Super excited. If you guys want to learn more about how we bought this specific deal, how we put this together, or how you can get started in multifamily, follow this channel for free, Cody and Christian Multifamily Strategy. If you have any questions for me specifically, you can just message me on Instagram at Christian Osgood. Happy to connect with you guys there.